Hello, Paul here, and I want to share with you the new healing brush tool in Photoshop on the iPad. Now, I'm not talking about spot healing brush. That works out great for, say, these spots, right? It's determining the sample area, right? Where to take those pixels from. Sure enough, we'll go in here, we'll select healing brush, and what do we have? Yes, the ability to sample, say, from this tree right here. And let's kind of zoom in on that a little bit more. Sample, and then basically stamp out that person and that person, just like so. And we do that over here as well. So let's just hold down the touch controller because I can use that to sample. So sample there, and then just kind of remove those people. Getting as detailed as I want. Happens to be somebody right there. They're kind of hard to see, but you have full control when you're stamping out or healing these parts of this image. Because check this out, I like doing this. Blend modes, all those blend modes work out great for a number of things. I'm just gonna do a straight up replace. Again, if you don't like it blending into the original photo, I've been sampling on all layers, on this new layer, by the way, and ignoring adjustment layers. And that's all I really need to do. Let's just come in here, let's click right there, and then just get that one spot like so. And that's a direct sample of that selected layer. Clean up your images, all with the healing brush tool in Photoshop on the iPad. Try it out today. Thanks.